Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on online status in Threads, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on the online status in Threads, first open up a Threads app on your phone, and after opening a Threads app guys, you land over here, which is the home interface of Threads. And on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or the profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here on the profile section of your Threads account. And on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the two-lined icon available for us just beside the camera icon. Tap on the two-lined icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you land over here where you can see the privacy option available for us just below the archive or above accessibility. Tap on privacy, and you can see guys the third option that says online status is over here just below the mentions. Tap on online status, and over here guys, in order to turn on the online status in Threads, you can turn it on for anyone, your followers or the followers you follow back, by choosing the precise person or the circle to whom you want to show your online. Tap on it, either your followers you follow back, or anyone. With that being done guys, your online status in Threads will be turned on. And with that being said guys, this is how to turn on online status in Threads. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.